Welcome student. Today I am going to explain chapter 3 atom and molecules part 5. There is some examples of symbols. First of all we have to know English name of the element manganese and its symbol is Mn, nickel Ni, zinc Zn, bromine Br, krypton Kr, iodine I, barium Ba, cobalt Co, uranium U and thorium Th. While Latin name of the elements like natrium has symbol Na and its English name sodium. Calcium symbol K, English name potassium. Ferrum Fe, English name iron. Cuprum Cu, English name copper. Argentum Ag, silver. Aurum symbol Au and English name of aurum is gold. Hydroxyrum Hg and its English name is mercury. Plumbum Pb and its English name is lead. Sternum Sn and its English name is tin. Strontium Sb and its English name is antimony. And wolfram its symbol is W and its English name is tungsten. So there are 119 elements in the periodic table, but here we study only that elements symbol which are very important to us in this class. That is 20 elements and another some important elements like iron, copper, silver, gold, mercury, lead, tin, antimony, tungsten, etc. Now we have to study about the atomic mass of an element. What is an atomic mass of an element? So we have to define this. The atomic mass of an element is the relative mass. Atomic mass of an element is the relative mass of its atom as compared with the mass of a carbon 12 atom. A carbon 12 atom, that means those carbon atom which atomic mass is 12, because carbon have 3 isotopes, carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. So in these 3 isotopes scientists selected carbon 12 as the unit. Carbon 12 atom has been assigned an atomic mass exactly 12 atomic mass units. An atomic mass unit is denoted by the letter small u. So atomic mass unit equal to 1/12 the mass of a carbon 12 atom, and also we can say that 1 u equal to 1/12 the mass of a carbon 12 atom. For example, atomic mass of some common elements are given here. For example, hydrogen have 1 u atomic mass, helium 4 u, and so on. We calculate the atomic mass till 20 up to the 20, that all the even numbers have double the mass of its atomic number, and the odd number are double plus 1. That means for example lithium has 3 atomic mass and its atomic number and its mass number is 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. But in the case of helium, atomic number is 2 and it is a even number, so its atomic mass is 2 to the 4 double. For example, boron, odd number 5 and its mass number is 5 to the 10 plus 1 11. So in this way up to the 20, that means up to the calcium, this rule is followed, but some exceptions are here also. For example, in the case of nitrogen, this is odd number, but its mass is only 14. That means only the double of its atomic number. But according to that rule, it should be become 2 to the 4, 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15. But its real mass is only 14 U. So this is the atomic mass of some common elements that are generally used in this class. Now we have to know experimental mass of carbon-12 atom. By the experiment, it is found that the atomic mass of carbon-12 atom is equal to 1.9926 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. By experiment, this mass is detected. So one unified mass of any atom equal to 1.9926 into 10 to the power minus 23. This is divided by 12 because the carbon-12 atom mass is 12. So it is divided this number and it becomes 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So one unified mass, U means unified mass. Unified mass of an element. So one unified mass equal to 1.66 in 0.05 into 10 to the power minus 24. So if we calculate the mass of another element, we multiply this number by that atomic mass of that element. Now we have to know about the significance of the symbol of an element. What are the significance? First one is it represents name of the element. It represents name of the elements. It also represents one atom of the element. It also represents 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. That means 1 mole of that element, and it also represents definite mass of that element. So it is very important, symbol is very important, that represent name of the element, one atom of the element, 1 mole, that is represented by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and its definite mass of the elements. So chemical symbol of elements are very important. And after this we have to study about the molecules that are discussed in next class. Till then, goodbye.